Your customers are already on WhatsApp, so why not send your offers there directly? As you can already see on your screen, this is exactly what we are going to create today. A promotional WhatsApp campaign that delivers your offers directly to your customers' WhatsApp chats. You can add your offer, product details, website links, or the product link too. And within a single broadcast campaign, send the same offers to hundreds or even thousands of your contacts. No need to send the message to every customer manually. Create this campaign once, select your contact and send it directly on WhatsApp. This is especially useful when you are launching a new product, running a special discount, announcing a festival, or simply wants to bring your existing customers back to your store. And the best part, you can do all of this from one place. The tool I am using for today's tutorial is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that's help you to automate WhatsApp conversations, and its broadcast feature allows you to create and send promotional WhatsApp campaigns to your customers. I'll show you step by step from creating the campaign, selecting the contacts, configuring the settings, and finally sending the campaign. And yes, you can also create this campaign along with me using the Pabbly Chatflow free trial. And after trying the tool, if you found it useful and creates a mind to purchase its subscription plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. You won't regret it after purchasing it. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into Pabbly Chatflow and start creating our first WhatsApp broadcast campaign. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and select the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to come in this broadcast feature. And this page is going to be appear in front of you. See, I have already created some WhatsApp broadcast campaign before, and for creating a new broadcast campaign, you need to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast a name. I'll enter as makeup offer. After that, you need to select the audience. You can also choose the existing contact list from here as well as upload the CSV file. Here I'm going to use this contact list leads list. For uploading a CSV file, you need to click on this option. After that, you need to upload a CSV file. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file where I added my customer's first name, last name, and phone number. And look at this, it is in the simplest format. For creating a CSV file, you can use Excel or Google Sheets. Here I have added my customer contacts inside Google Sheets. After successfully adding the contacts, you need to click on this files option and download the file in a CSV format. And one more thing, the file size limit is 50 MB and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. For uploading a CSV file, you need to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the file from your gallery. After that, simply click on this upload files button, select the same contact file from here and click on this insert button. Next, just scroll down and you can also skip the duplicates record from here by selecting this option. After that, just click on this import and use these contacts. And this is how easily you can add a CSV file. Here I'm going to select the audience as choose existing contact list and selecting this leads list from here. Now, for creating a contact list, you need to go inside this contacts feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Click on this plus option and create a contact list. I have already created some lists before, and this is the leads list that I am using right now. After that, the refine audience. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that contact from here. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Now comes to the most important part where you need to select the message type. It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting the message type from here, but regular message can only be sent when a 24-hour conversation window is active, means a customer can already messaged on your WhatsApp number within the last 24 hours. Then only you can send a regular message. But if you want to send a message to your new customers, so that you need to select the message type as pre-approved template message, because templates are approved by Meta and they followed all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, I'm clicking on the select WhatsApp template button and choosing this makeup offer template. I have already created this template before. After that, I'll click on this done button. Now for creating this type of attractive templates, you need to go inside the templates feature that are present on the left hand sidebar, as everything is present inside this single tool. So this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. See, the template feature lets you create pre-approved WhatsApp messages for your campaigns. For creating a new template, you need to click on this plus add template button and click on this add template. You can also generate the template by using AI as well. After selecting the add template button, this type of page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you need to select the template category, provides a name, select the language from here, variable type, and also select the template type too. You can add text, images, buttons, links, and much more. After successfully designing your template, you need to click on this submit button. See, we have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. These templates are useful for sending promotional offers, updates, reminders, and other messages to your contacts. Once the template is ready, you can easily select it while creating your WhatsApp broadcast campaign. I have already created some templates before, and this is the makeup offer template that we are using in this tutorial. After selecting that template, next I'm going to test this broadcast. So for that, I'm entering the contact's name as smart user and my number in this field, just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number, I'll click on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. Now let's check our WhatsApp to see whether we have received this template or not. And see, I have successfully received the template on my WhatsApp, and just look at this. The message looks so attractive and related to the specific makeup offer. It includes the offer details and the direct shop link too. This is exactly how your customers will receive the promotional message directly on their WhatsApp. As we have successfully received the message, this means that till now our broadcast campaign is working perfectly. Next, you need to schedule the broadcast. See, if you want to send this templates to all of your contacts that are present inside this list, then you can select this option and click on this plus add contacts button. But in this tutorial, I'm going to schedule this message for later. So I'm selecting this option. After that, I am selecting the date and time as 20th of August at 9 a.m. See, on 28, 2026 at 9 a.m., this template is going to be sent to all of my customers that are present inside this list. For the testing purpose, I have used this list, but you can choose your contact list. Next, we have automatic retry of failed contacts option. See, if a message fails to deliver to any contact, then you can enable this option to automatically try sending the message again. You can also select how many times you want to retry and the time gap between each retry. This way, you don't have to manually send the message again to the contacts where the delivery failed. So that's how it works. After that, just click on this plus add broadcast button. So that's it. Our WhatsApp broadcast campaign is now completely ready. You can also use the same process to promote your new products, special offers, discounts, festive campaigns, and much more directly on WhatsApp. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. See, our broadcast campaign is successfully scheduled on 20th of August 2026 at 9 a.m. Now the best part is that you don't have to send the offers to your customers one by one. Instead, you can create a campaign campaign once and send it to your selected contacts from a single place. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how easily you can create a WhatsApp broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with someone who wants to grow their business using WhatsApp. If you have any questions, then feel free to drop them in the comment section. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.